Hi guys, in this section our application will use the Bootstrap, so we need a Bootstrap CSS. We will add the Bootstrap to our application for the style. So let's go to the browser, and in the new type we have Bootstrap 5. Okay, the first link here, Bootstrap 5. You can see we have the CSS link. We will just copy this link. Okay, then go back to the application. So inside the index.html, we will add this in the header. Okay, so we'll add this below this title, and we can decide to install the Bootstrap for the React, and it's simple as this. Let me remove this and use the Bootstrap that we will install. Okay, so now let's create a new terminal here. By clicking here, we will have a new terminal. Then we will use this terminal to install the Bootstrap. So you can see, let's use cd to go to the app directory, employee app, click enter, then we use npm install bootstrap. Okay, so this is what we use to install Bootstrap. npm install bootstrap, then click. This will take a couple of seconds. Okay, you can see that the installation for the Bootstrap is finished. You can see here it is. We have the Bootstrap. Okay, now how you will check this dependency? You just go to the package.json. Inside the package.json, you can see these dependencies. Okay, so okay, here it is, Bootstrap. Now it's added. So the next thing we will do, we will go to the index.js and import the Bootstrap that we just added. Here inside the index.js, we will import, then inside this the single quotation we have Bootstrap slash disc slash css slash then bootstrap again dot css. Okay, now we will save the application. We finish installation and adding the Bootstrap css. Okay, the next thing we will do is we will set up our Redux, but we will first look at the overview of the Redux. So let's see you in the next video.